This is baby Nelson. He's cutie. I just fed him not too long ago, but he's still hungry. Can you believe it is 75 degrees out today? Unbelievable. Oh, here's what's left of the big stump. 3 stumps actually, big ass tree that fell. Casualties everywhere you look. I've got lots of wood. Like nothing ever happened, man. So strange. Can't believe people comment like, oh, Texas is overreacting. You weren't prepared. Prepared? It never gets like this here. Texas, this is all you need to cover your hose bib.